That tickle hits, and you hold it in. Big mistake. Here's the dangerous pressure exploding inside you. A normal sneeze blasts air at 100 miles per hour. Holding it traps pressure up to 24 times higher. That force shoots through your eustachian tubes to the ears. It can rupture your eardrum or cause infection. Mucus gets pushed back into your sinuses. It can burst blood vessels in your eyes or throat. Rarely, it tears throat tissue or leaks air into your neck. You're blocking your body's natural defense. Sneezing clears allergens and protects you. Next time, let it out safely into your elbow. Holding a sneeze can hurt you. Let your body do its job.
Subscribe for part 2. Turn on notifications.